Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Farmer Mickey has a farm. Mickey and his friends are helping out at the Clubhouse farm today. There's a lot to do. Mickey better hurry. At the farm, everyone gets started on chores. All the friends are hard at work when suddenly a great big wind blows through the farm. Uh-oh, the wind has blown the horse up onto the silo.
We've got to help that horsey,
says Goofy. Mickey remembers seeing a Blimpy Blazer in the barn. He hurries to get it. The Blimpy Blazer fits the horse perfectly. She floats safely down to the ground. Oh boy! Look! The wind has also blown the pigs up into the chicken coop.
How are those poor piggies gonna get off the chicken slide with no wings to help them land?
Goofy wonders. Mickey has an idea. A picnic blanket will catch their fall. 1 piggy, 2 piggies, 3 piggies. All of the pigs are safe. Hooray! Time to get back to work. As Mickey drives the tractor, Clarabelle comes by. Her chickens are missing.
They probably just hit during that big wind,
Mickey says.
Let's all sing a song. I bet they'll come out to join in.
Farmer Mickey has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he has some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Farmer Mickey has a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Before long, Clarabelle's chickens come out of the tall grass and cluck cluck along.
Oh, thank you, Farmer Mickey,
Clarabelle says.
With your help, the farm is back in order.
Super cheers! What a farm-tastic day! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you so much for your continued support. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you next time.